Hello everybody, we're here for another unboxing of another Seiko watch that I bought. But first of all, I'd like to share that I was surprised that they gave me a shirt and it's a size small, which is my size. So it this one is a surprise. So I didn't know if they knew what my size was. I didn't tell them. I didn't give them any information about me, but I think they just took a chance, and yeah, this is my size. So I hope it fits, and it's kind of nice. It's a treat. So yeah, but on to what I purchased. So it's another Seiko. It's a diver's watch, and nothing special about the packaging. It's the usual manual. I think this is the warranty. Yeah, it is the warranty. So you have the manuals here, you have the box here, and I'm really nervous. I hope this doesn't disappoint. And there you go. This is the Seiko SRPH 4R3K1. There you go. And this watch is attractive. Wow. First of all, I love blue. Obviously, I'll do a review of this watch for another day. But look at this blue in that ceramic insert with that orange, what do you call that? Yeah, the orange on the bezel. That's absolutely wonderful. And if you can take a look at the dial of this thing, the dial on this thing, yeah, I love that waffle dial right there. And I have to say, this is a good quality rubber strap. It's not as thick as I expected it to be. That one is polished. This is in rose gold. So not as crunchy as I would want it to be, but yeah, it'll do. The crystal on this thing is made of sapphire, and that cyclops as well. So let's peel these stickers off. And this watch has a closed case back showing that Save the Ocean emblem. I think those are waves. And let's peel off the stickers on the clasp. This is in rose gold as well. It has a writing. It says, is it ST Steel Z? Z? I don't know what that means. Maybe you do. Comment below. And here's a close-up of the watch, and it is just so gorgeous. I wasn't planning on buying this one. I was aiming for the SPB 143 or 145 or 147. But when I saw this, I was just blown away. So I started researching and learned that this is the King Samurai and that it's an Asia exclusive release, which makes it a little more special. And wearing this watch with a 42 43 millimeter case size, it wears and looks so well on my skinny wrist. I love it. It's so comfortable. I am blown away. I'm surprised. I ordered a Hexad strap code bracelet, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it on the original strap. It looks so well, wears so good, and I am just in love with everything about this watch. So I'm gonna let you know. I'll make a follow-up video. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for this video. It's all over the place. But thank you, subscribe, and like, and share. Bye-bye.